So this is currently being shot on the Hollyland Lark microphone. It's instead of using the, I'm just testing it because I do own this, so there's no point buying something if I already own something to use. So I'm just testing how it sounds to figure out what the difference is. So this is just a normal. We just put on the. There we go. This is the noise cancelling version. It really does just cut out noise. To be honest, I probably do. I do have a test a few videos back that'll be linked right there, top right corner. But yeah, you can go watch that, and I review these microphones. That's back when I had the Sony ZV-E10, so quite a while ago, but probably around 2-3 years ago. Worth a watch, I think. It's one of my few decent videos. Yeah, we'll see how the audio compares between this and the actual microphone. The new lens has arrived. It is the Viltrox 25mm 1.7. We can see here APS-C. It's got around a 52mm thread. It is a bit of a plastic feel on the lens. It's quite light though, I would say, but that is to be expected with the cheap price of this one, which I think I got second hand off Amazon refurb for only around £120–130. So you're probably wondering, what does this look like? So I'm about to show you now. I'm going to change over the lenses in 3, 2, 1. So this is how the lens looks. As you can see, it's a lot more, and when I say a lot, I mean a lot more zoomed in. The difference is this is equivalent to a 16mm, and the one you're watching right now is equivalent to a 35–37mm. So there's quite the difference there between zoom. But yeah, I hope you like it. Hopefully I should be able to get a lot more cinematic looking shots and things that aren't so zoomed in. But I'm going to stand back a bit and see how far back I need to go before it looks normal. So this is me sat quite a bit away from, like, my entire bed's length away, 4 or 5 feet. Yeah, you will have to let me know what you guys think of this one, because it is a lot more zoomed in. And yeah, so let me know in the comments what you guys think of this lens compared to the last one, because I know that there is quite a big difference, and hopefully I'll be able to use this one. I'll have to test out how it sounds, because I know that with this lens here, with my Yongnuo, the autofocus can be quite loud, so I'll have to test out this one and let you know. This is my new lens that I've picked up. I'll be using this with the 11mm that I've got, and soon I will go outside to take some photography and videography to show you the results of this lens at night time. Oh, I don't have my cover on. Right, it's that time of night. I don't actually know how late it is, but it's not that late, I guess. It's quite dark here, but we've got an f1.7, so it's not too bad. I just went to Asda, I got myself some cookies, some mini eggs, and some tissues because my nose is runny as ever. But yeah, this is really cold. You get nice bokeh though. That's one thing I can say about this lens, is you get very nice bokeh. What settings am I on? But yeah, it's quite a good lens. I'm at f1.7, 1/60, and 2500 right now. It is very zoomed in, so it's probably something you'd want to put down or have a tripod just that extra reach because I'm holding it by the bottom of the body. It's so cold out here. So, there we go. That's a bit wider of reach. I'm holding it by the lens. It's not the stainless, so it might be good to use like a tripod. But yeah, it's that time of night again, so I'm gonna get home and get warm. One thing I can say, let's see. No, I don't want to take this strap. One thing I can say about this is the autofocus mechanism on the inside, silent as ever. Like, you can't hear, I don't know how well you can hear me, you literally can't hear the autofocus zooming in or zooming out or whatever the hell. Like, okay, not zooming in because it's a prime, but you can't hear the autofocus, which is really good for the sensor. Well done, Viltrox, whatever the hell it is. If I was homeless, I'd be dead in 3 nights. Not only do my hands get so cold, I feel like they would fall off. But I'm so lazy that I wouldn't want to move. Let's just hope I don't become homeless, I guess.